Huh? Huh? Good morning, guys. Today is the day before Valentine's Day. I'm going to try and make beef Wellington. Hello to my weekly vlogs. A lot of you have been requesting vlogs, so here I am making one for you. This is like really normal for me to see from where I live. I'm really close to all of these entertainment studios. This is very Hollywood-y. The recipe I'm following is from Gordon Ramsay, and I am sourcing all of my ingredients from Whole Food. This is why beef Wellingtons are so expensive. Our main character. Puff pastry. Red wine. Have a good day. Midi. Making beef Wellington is such a humbling experience. I saw tutorials. It looked easy, but it's actually quite challenging. Without the food processor, I had to cut mushrooms myself. In the wrapping part, I wish I'm a sushi chef because I think it would be so much easier with that skill. However, it turned out great, and I'm really proud of myself. I had to cut puff pastries to cover up what's exposed. But yeah, you see me struggling here. But hey, I'm trying my best, okay? And it's my first time making beef Wellingtons. Aren't these babies beautiful? And I've made lava cakes on the side. Thank you for the gift. Let's open it. What's inside? Huh? Huh? 什么时候？什么时候？好多啊！哦，什么时候写的？我以为这是 receipt， 然后一看见，什么时候 ？Really, really cute. Thank you. Now onto the gift. Whoa. I'm a girly who loves 仪式感, so even though we're staying home, we gotta make it look nice.
Oh, wow.
Ah. Wow. 什么?
Lapis.
Oh, what? It's actually really good.
我觉得比 Gordon Ramsay
It's actually really good.
比 Hell's Kitchen 做的好吃哎。
我不知道这个香味是哪来的，我没有。Whatever the flavor is, I didn't add that. Oh, perfect. How did you guys spend your Valentine's Day this year? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you had a lovely one. Puppy. 妹妹。太舒服了。Lunar New Year。马年，这应该就是他们最接近马的生物。A cow。
叫什么来着
？Clarabelle. So much food, bro. I don't think it's good. This is my first time celebrating Lunar New Year at Disneyland, and wow, it's so cool to see all these Asian representations here.
我的家，我的家。
We bought the Sip and Savor Pass for this year's lunar celebration. The food was pretty good, and seeing the parade of all Asian culture and Mulan, Mushu was really, really cool.
Hard to do it and stuff, so
Got it from Tokyo Disneyland.
I'm going to trade you.
I'm gonna trade. Oh, thank you.
You have to wear them.
I will. Oh my gosh.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Gee
you.
whiz, this is
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah, right.
好好喝，但是好甜。今天坐上了。Look at this line. We get to go right in. I'm Elastigirl. 做的什么 么，李师傅？
焖卷。
料理餐做什么？好快呀你！哇，很可爱。
我找过一下。
嘿嘿。
不丑啊，蛮好看啊。
很冷静啊。咪，是不是有点热闹？
越多越好了。
Welcome to Monday morning. It is President's Day holiday, so I'm taking a day off. Instead of going out, I chose to stay in. I want to reorganize the house a little bit, clean the house a little bit, and just, do something that fulfills my soul. The big project I worked on today was my vision board. I will be making a video specifically for that, so stay tuned. But yeah, my life is pretty basic, nothing too fancy. I will spend time making music and making content. However, something that I do look forward to this week was visiting my old colleagues from Nickelodeon. I've prepped some red envelopes for them. I hope they like it. I think there's a lot of beauty in a normal, ordinary life where you get to just stay home and watch a movie with your loved ones. It's the first day of Chinese New Year. We started the morning strong with a workout, and I will be visiting my Nickelodeon people in the afternoon. I visited a coffee shop before my visit to the office and, just taking a day in, enjoying my coffee and prep my little gifts, finalize them. It was wonderful seeing my old friends again from Nickelodeon. We talked, we laughed. It was a good time. We ended the day with a shabu shabu and we will call it for this vlog. Thanks for watching. See you next time.